Hi, I'm Fernando, founder of Bluvy. But what is Bluvy? Well, Bluvy is a shower gadget that helps you shave in a hot shower without the stress of wiping your mirror 300 times. Unlike mirrors, the heat inside the display prevents Bluvy from getting foggy. There's a lot Bluvy can offer, like a variety of this toolbox, a Swiss Army knife, or this one-man band. Bluvy have awesome Bluetooth speakers, UVC lights that keeps your bathroom sanitized, free from shower black mold, and other bacteria, and of course privacy. Very important these days. You can also download any of your favorite apps. Bluvy will help you enjoy again your time alone in the safest and most private place in your home and away from the dangers of the world.
Fernando!
If you like to shave, have a bathroom, or just wants to relax, yes, Bluvy is for you. And why it wouldn't be? Bluvy is the best shower gadget ever. Back us now, so we can make this cool gadget come to life. Or he'll come and get you.